A new day rises with red petals. Red, red, red are the petals, ever spreading their fragrance day by day, year by year. Red, red, red is the rose on my kitchen window, so beautiful and perfectly everlasting through all storms. I wish to ornament my thorny shoulders with cowrie shells. I wish to get at least dominoes, if not full open. I wish to see your moonbeams, stardust, purple hued light. I wish to guard my blossomed love tree from woodpecker. I wish your heart, your side, your trust. I wish you. Today it's a mess. Tomorrow we can make it right. It's just a life. Whatever happens, we can make it right. You can live your life. Just open the door for yourself first. Rest of them will join when they have to. Open up to yourself so that even a mess will be a beautiful memory to you when you grow old. Those who belong to you, they will stay, make memories, and most importantly, they will love your imperfections. Life is nothing, it's just you, babe. So run, chase whatever you like or whatever makes you alive. This society, they are not gonna stop thinking or saying. Best choice is ignore them. You can find that more peaceful, but that doesn't mean you are running from them. You can slap them hard by living your own dreams and loving yourself. So my dear, be open to yourself. You can fly in happiness. You can learn to live life by being yourself. The daughter of spring. I am the daughter of spring. Life runs through my veins as if I am the soil giving birth to the flowers nestled in my warmth. I am the daughter of a nurturer whose life depends on the cold to bring her out, because when the snow melts, I have the power to heal. I am the heiress to the crown of the tallest trees and the deepest dust and everything in between. I am home and foundation, completely enough on my own and enough to make flowers blossom, enough to flourish them and enough to make them grow through adversities. I am the successor to the strength of the soil, abundant enough to bring you up, strong enough to bury your end and begin a cycle anew. I am the bearer of the scars by the trees, scattering the sun's light, enhancing its divinity, bearer of the scars of the soil, letting the light in, because these scars are the proof that I have grown. I am the possessor of the whole world's life in me. I hold the deepest, darkest secrets and the brightest joys in me, because I am the daughter of spring. Life runs through me as if I am the soil giving power to the flowers nestled in my heart.